race on Jaden Diamond from the outside his swim event. Moving up down on the inside is Vergara, Graceland, Speed of Twin, Blusher, and Emergency Call. Back to the front runner, Jaden Diamond, the favorite by about 2 lengths, followed by swim event in second, and by the rails Vergara, Graceland, Speed of Twin, Emergency Call, and Blusher is the tail ender. And rounding the far turn, Jaden Diamond by about 5 lengths, swim event, Graceland, and on the inside is Vergara, rushing up his Blusher, is Firm Emergency Call as they race the final corner. Jaden Diamond by about 4 lengths, followed by swim event, Graceland, rushing up at the center is Blusher with the last 200 meters more to run. Jaden Diamond, like an eagle, is spreading his wings in full-fledged, swooping the opponents towards the finish line. Second, swim event, Blusher.